Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about the YouTube ID verification policy update that has been going around everywhere. So this move that they're making, first of all, it is not that they want to do it, it's a global online safety regulation thing. Because they're getting fines, they're getting, issues with the government when they don't comply, right? And in that case, they're being forced, right? Especially in the US, this is being rolled out mostly, and some other countries. So, what happens here? They use AI, right? A new AI powered age verification system. It basically looks at your watch history, the types of videos you search for, what you watch. If it suspects basically you're underage, then they'll request you for identification. Different ways to do this. Um, you can go ahead and use a credit card in your name, a registered credit card. You can just submit your ID, or if you have a subscription or Google Pay, usually this doesn't happen. They also look at your account, uh, history, age, how long you've had that account, your account behavior, patterns of interaction with the platform, comments. If you've made purchases, then you're less likely to go ahead and have this issue. Okay, and if you are flagged, then you just go. You can also upload a selfie as well or video verification, and it's safe. The valid ID thing, it's safe because I have uploaded for monetization my ID. It's safe, and when you want to do some advanced features on YouTube as well, you usually need to go ahead and submit a valid ID. That's very normal. Many people have been doing it over the years. So this is just a response to new online safety regulations, particularly in the UK, Australia. They're rolling it out in the US as well. So for YouTube, it will create a safer environment and just ensure that age-restricted content is only being viewed by adults. Mostly this is being pushed because of regulations and the fines. If you found this helpful and you appreciate the honesty, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.